Hey guys, welcome. In this section, we're going to be talking about all things memberships. If you go into the sites, go up to memberships, this is going to be the place where you can basically create your own courses. If you enroll a client and you want to provide them course material or stuff that they've got to go through, if you've ever heard of a product like Kajabi or ClickFunnels had a membership area as well, this works very similar to something like Kajabi. And what I'm going to do is just kind of give you a little overview. Okay, so obviously, let me go down to settings because you can customize your membership platform to be, to fit your brand. I'll talk about creating a subdomain here or your own private domain so it's not this long thing here. You can add your logo, your favicon. You can set it so people can download or not download. I would recommend that they can't download. I would make it that way. Let's see. If you go back to settings, your custom domains, there's a training that I'm going to point you to in a second that can show you how to set up a subdomain. So you don't have to go create a new domain for the training area. You could do something like training.yourmainurldomain.com or whatever your site is. So you can do that. There's email settings. You can customize your email settings. But I do want to point out real quickly, if you go up to the help feature here, you go down to memberships, there's a lot of information here about how to use the membership platform. This is where you can spend some time. We're going to have some other training in our training portal, but this will definitely help you. For example, if you did subdomains, how to set up a subdomain for memberships, right? It's going to show you exactly how to do that. I can't stress enough how important that help section is. It's really going to give you a lot of great information. Okay, now what else can you do with memberships? Well, you can create products. Like I said, you can create products that are tied to forms that people opt in on, and you can tie those into workflows. So you could do like a free lead magnet that gives away a product, or you could tie it into when they become your client and they fill out some kind of onboarding system so it automates it, or you could grant people access to it manually if that's what you wanted to do. We've given you sort of a template to start from. It's just that if you click on it, you can customize it. You don't have to keep the name the way that they are. It's very simple. I'll get into a training on working with this in a second, but I'm just giving you an overview here. So you can add categories. You can create subcategories underneath it, or what they call a post, which is just the content here. To give you an idea of what this looks like, this is a pretty general template. As you can see, not super pretty, but what you can do is you can get inside and you can customize. You can customize pretty much everything you need to. So for example, the header up here where it says your logo, you can customize that. You can customize the hero image. You can make it extra small if you wanted to. You can make it large, whatever you want to do. You can upload it. You can change the overlay color. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with this system. Product sidebar, and obviously settings, your favicon for this specific course that you're creating. I'm not going to get into a lot of detail of editing and working with this right now. We'll do that in a future training. So let me show you also the offers feature. Whenever you create a product, you want to create an offer. So this is an offer that's already, it's your main offer membership that ties into the funnel that comes with the general coaching snapshot. So when someone enrolls with that, it grants them access to this automatically, which is nice. But you could create multiple offers, and you could create multiple products, and you could create bundles. There's a lot of different stuff that you can do with the membership platform. The analytics feature is really nice because you can get in and you can see the product progress of every student or client that you have. We use that a lot currently. And then I already mentioned some stuff about the settings. So that's a brief little introduction. Again, guys, spend some time up in the help feature here. It's going to help you a lot. There's a lot of information about the membership platform, a lot of stuff that you can go through, customizing your membership welcome email, creating edited categories, all the stuff that you want to learn how to do. It is there. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it's a great feature, and it's something that we use with all of our low-ticket products, our high-ticket products, even our lead magnets that we produce. You can really do a lot of different stuff. The cool thing about this, you are not limited by the number of products with Elite 360. You can create as many products as you want. You can have as many students as you want. I would recommend creating all of your lead magnets, put them all in here, password protect them. It's such a great tool. You can create offers and bundles of offers. In the sort of the advanced marketing sections of this, we're going to be getting into a lot of things in the future about how to use things like lead magnets and your membership platform to create obviously leads and potential buyers for you for your program. So anyway, there's an introduction. We'll see you in the next training.